Tie-dye has been a long-time favorite of many for quite some time. And the new ways folks are tie-dyeing so many various items actually amazes me. I was looking on Etsy to see what these super creative people have come up with. So let's sit back, grab a candle, light some sage, and space off as we check out these 25 unique tie-dye creations. Also, staying awake during the whole video would be much appreciated. If you're interested in any of these items, use Google Lens to take a picture, and you'll find it on the Etsy website. Tie-dye isn't just for t-shirts. In this list, you'll find masks, bed sets, dresses, socks, and so much more. Even babies are styling in their tie-dye onesies. And can we take a moment to admire how this tie-dye turned out? It's quite unique. I have not seen anything like it. So with that in mind, I'll be doing some tie-dye tutorials on my channel soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my creative videos, including the upcoming tie-dye vid. This t-shirt is my absolute favorite. I love how tie-dye is reaching more stylish clothing instead of just plain t-shirts. In fact, I recently purchased some really cute tie-dye yoga pants at Walmart, along with some other things, of course. And I'll be doing a Walmart haul soon to show you those pants and, of course, what else I got. Be sure to reach out to me on my Instagram if you have any questions or if you just want to chat. And my channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. This color combination is stunning. Opposing colors from the color wheel were used in a way that didn't turn everything into a gray and brown mess. The placement of colors was really taken into consideration. Using orange and green right next to each other must have took some major planning. If anyone would like to send me this dress as a token of their appreciation, I will happily accept it. Also, we're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching thus far. My name is Angela, and my channel name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. Please hit the thumbs up button if you got value out of this video. I also create videos about arts and crafts, wig vids, furniture restoration, ideas, and so much more. If you want to make sure that you keep up on all my awesome creations, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss an episode, because you never know what I'm going to be coming up with next. Your subscription would mean the world to me. I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much and bless your heart. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.